Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You need to stop and recognize a key fact. Xenia is a PC Xbox 360 emulator and cannot legally or practically run on a retail Xbox Series X. Once you accept that, make a plan, prepare a Windows 10/11 PC with a modern CPU, sufficient RAM, and GPU support. Verify game files you own are ready. You will save time and risk by moving to supported hardware rather than attempting unsupported console changes. You should transition to the supported path. Install Xenia on a compatible Windows PC and load legally owned game files. Once done, configure graphics and controller mapping in Xenia to match your Series X controller, using Steam input or an adapter if needed. Make sure to update GPU drivers and DirectX/Vulkan runtimes. Alternatively, check Xbox Store and Game Pass for official backward-compatible versions or remasters to play the same games without risk. Finish by testing each title on the PC, adjusting graphics, resolution, and frame pacing until performance matches your expectation. Once stable, connect your Series X controller through Bluetooth or a wired adapter to replicate the console feel. If something goes wrong, games crash, audio stutters, or controls misbehave, stop and confirm you're using legally obtained disk images or backups and that drivers and runtimes are current. That single verification resolves most compatibility problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.